Hello, my name is Najm. You are watching Mr. Najm Tech. Today, I am going to tell you how to delete Snapchat account. Friends, start the video first of all. Click on Snapchat and click on Profile. You can see my Snapchat profile. Okay. Now you click on Settings. Let's scroll talk. I need help. You will get this screen here. It says click on my account. Now it says delete or reactivate my account. Click on Talk to us first option. Click here to log in Snapchat portal. Click here, type username. Type password here. Then click Next. Now here on second last line, delete my account. Right on us, click retyping your password here. Will permanently delete your account. To like the video. And don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye.